So I've arrived at the school today and we've got our first class of bonsai and we're just waiting for the kids to arrive. So let's find the teachers and teach them bonsai. This is a big thick one. We want to keep the small one, not the thick one. So we can cut here. It's okay.
Okay.
You cut here? Yeah. Yeah. You maybe need two hands. It's a big one. It's a big one.
Oh. So.
Oh. Here, I'll help you. I'll go from the other side. You do that side, I do this side. Ready? We got it.
This we need.
Good job.
This we need to cut.
Is it?
It's up.
Hey, wow.
Straight up.
How do you guys know what to do?
See this straight branch?
Which ones are you cutting?
This one? Yeah. This one
We're
goes straight
cutting
down.
here.
Ah, I see.
This one.
1, 2, 3.
Straight down.
This one.
Laura,
Straight down. Okay, cut it.
These two. So look, this one here,
Good.
it's growing straight out. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we've got a branch like this, and it's growing straight out the side. We don't like that. We want it to growing like forward like this. Okay. Look, this one's even growing backwards. That's not good either. So we're going to cut this off all the way down at the bottom. That's it. And this one all the way down at the bottom. Very good. Look, and this branch.
This one is good or bad?
This one's good.
This one's good.
Yes, because if you this one has like a no foliage growing along here, so you don't like that's not useful. So I think first, what about this one? It's growing straight down. So you know what to do if you see one growing straight down or straight up, you know to cut that one off. You don't have to ask any yourself. You just think, yeah, straight down, I'm cutting it off. But when it's like very long and a lot of foliage at the end, so we want to cut this one off. Okay, now we ask, okay, which one is growing straight up? Which one's growing straight up? You cut it off for me.
Come on, 3.
This one growing straight up. So there you have it. We had our first class with the kids and they are naturals. That was so good. So we plan another class maybe in a couple of days, and we will maybe just prep up the trees a little bit to sort of progress them up to the next stage, because we want to get them onto the wire. And then hopefully we can finish these trees before the end of term and they will have something to present. So we're really excited. That was fantastic. That was better than I could have hoped for. So let's have a quick look at their trees and how far they got. So this class, the boys were very into it. They were really into it, and they had a lot of opinions about what to keep and what to cut, and that was a really good conversation. That was very intellectual by the kids. This group was 2 young girls with a lot of teachers, and they understood the instructions very well. And they also were very careful, which is great for bonsai. You can always cut a branch off, but putting it back on is very difficult. So they were very cautious, very good at making sure that they were making the right cuts. This group followed the protocol perfectly, and you can see how evenly distributed their buds are. So they really took to the rules that I set out for them, and that was anything growing straight down, anything growing straight up, anything growing in the middle of a crotch, like that. A couple of days later, we're going to teach them how to wire these trees, and so next step is maybe get this place cleaned up and head on home. I'll see you in the next one.